Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Bill. I want to thank you for tuning into my channel and watching my video. I do hope you get some value out of my video, and if you do, please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. Alright? Thank you guys. Alright, let's get into this. We're talking about the List Lion 3-Day Fast Track Challenge. Now, if you've clicked the link down in my description down below, and once you join the system, this is what you're going to get. um, you're going to get, now this does have an investment of $7 one time, no upsells after that, just $7. What are you getting for $7? You're going to get these first 5 tabs unlocked. Okay, so let's get started. Welcome to the 3-day challenge where Randy goes into where he welcomes you to the List Lion family, and goes over what you're going to get. Then you're going to go day one. Okay, day one is before you do anything else. Watch this video, it's very important. Number two is a quick intro into affiliate marketing. Then the tools of the trade. What is that? That's going to be like your autoresponder, stuff like that. And you're thinking, uh-oh, here we go. More money, right? Nope, the autoresponder is included. Okay, it's included with your $7. You're also going to get your affiliate link to promote List Lions. Okay? Now, your autoresponder, like we were talking, is right here, Email Octopus. Okay? And as you can see, I signed up and I've already got 100 subscribers that Randy gave me. Okay, he set those up, and I'll be getting another 500 sometime today or tomorrow in my oh geez, hang on guys. All right, there we go. And our Email Octopus. Okay, so he's gonna give you this Email Octopus autoresponder. He's gonna give you right away 100 subscribers. Now it does take about 48 hours to get all your subscribers into your list to get started. Um, let's go to day two. Now the reason it takes 2 days is because he has to build it. He has to build your funnel. He has to get your autoresponder ready, and he has to get the leads in there. Now, like I said, the leads will come in about 48 hours later. So what happened last night? He's going to tell you about your autoresponder, how everything is being done. Then he's going to walk you through on the autoresponder, logging into it. Now this is a very extensive video,
All right, so
41 minutes of him going through telling you how to create a list in detail. All right, he really dives into it. All right, next is the perfect affiliate funnel. He's going to build you an affiliate funnel, and this thing isn't just a regular, it's built so that it has an opt-in page, has a bridge page. If I can blow this up, there we go. It has the freebie if you want to sign up for that. He doesn't recommend it, but he goes, you have your special opt-in, your bridge page, your offer, which is the $7 offer, and then you have your email follow-up sequence. Okay? So when he builds a funnel for you, you get your special opt-in, like I said, the bridge page, which is very important. So they collect the email, they get the call to action, and then they have the offer. Okay? That's what you get with the affiliate funnel. And he goes into detail on this also of how it's built and what you get. Day three is traffic. Okay? He goes here and talks about traffic. Now this is an hour video, guys. And he goes into just details, dives into it deep of how to advertise on TikTok and Pinterest and all that, okay? That's what you get for $7. Now you're going to get the autoresponder, you're going to get the 100 emails, and you're going to be able to go into the 3-day fast track group, okay? Once you guys sign up, I will be putting my, I'll be sending you an email with my Facebook link. All you got to do is sign in, message me, request me as a friend, message me and say, who you are, introduce yourself, that you signed up, and that way I can get you started into the Facebook group. Okay? Now, that's what you're going to get for the $7. Now, if you want to become a full Lion membership, List Lion membership, that is $49 a month. What are you getting for $49 a month? Well, let's find out. Okay? You're going to get 500 emails a month put into your autoresponder. You're getting 100 for $7. For the $49 a month, you're getting an additional 500 a month. Every month you pay your $49 membership, you get your 500 emails. Okay, and you can use these emails for anything. You can promote a product off ClickBank, off Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. You can promote the List Lion program. They're your email to do with what you want. So the $49 you're going to get, he's going to go into the monthly membership, what you're going to get. Here's a complete list of what you get. Let's look at it. You get 500 additional subscribers or leads added to your autoresponder each month. You're going to get 100 clicks of our best traffic source sent to whatever link you want each month. That's 100 free clicks. That's advertisement, guys. Free advertisement. Okay, you're going to get one link of your choice added to the free rotator each month. You get massive training section updated constantly, including high ticket courses. Now, high ticket, we'll go into that in just a minute, okay? You get 12 done-for-you funnels, including your affiliate links every month, our 100% complete support and assistance to help you succeed, a private Facebook group, you've seen that, and there's awards, prizes, contests, and so much more. Oh, wait a minute, no. When you join the $49, you're going to get the monthly membership group, okay? With this, you're going to get 2 coaching calls a month, group coaching calls. Let me make sure I get that correct. You're going to get 2 group coaching calls a month to where you can ask questions. You can find, it's not just here, I pay $49 and that's all I get. No. He's going to really go into detail of how to become an affiliate marketer and how to make money with it. Okay? So you're really getting a lot. You're going to be picking a niche, the niche, and he goes in detail. It's not niche, it's niche. Okay, here's a list of profitable niches to help you brainstorm. There's health, wealth, electronics, fashion, and hobbies. And he has a video here that goes, talks about it. And then you don't get this for the $49, but you do get all things email marketing. Okay, you don't get the Facebook wait a minute, nope. You get the profitable networking, which you get these. The sales framework. You submit your links for the 100 free clicks first of every month. Pinterest marketing. This is one I'm going to be excited to get into. Look at these things here. Look at all this. All this is training on how to promote on Pinterest. Okay? And then request a rotator link. This is a request a VIP program custom bonus page. I think that's for the VIP members. Like I said, I'll go into that in just a minute. Introduction to Facebook organic marketing. And that's it. Okay? The rest of these here that you're going to get is for the high ticket VIP. Here's what you're going to get with that. You're going to get the rest of this training. You're going to get Facebook marketing. You're going to get building the perfect affiliate funnels. You're going to get all of the videos there. And you're going to get 2 coaching calls, one-on-one with Randy a month for life, guys. As long as you're a member. So you pay that $9.97 one time, guys. One time. For life, you get 2 coaching calls a month. And they last about 45 minutes. So you find out, what are you getting for this money? You can't find this anywhere else. I wish this program, I would have found it a long time ago. When I first started in this business, I paid for the $25 program here, the $100 program here, and they always, when you sign up, they're gone. The training's there, but no one's there to assist you. All right, Randy's not that way. You have found a very special program here, guys. All right, there's just so much involved in this. All right, I hope you guys found some value. Like I said, my link will be in the description below. Make sure you watch the videos and that you understand, read the information, sign up, put your email address in, pay the $7, get the 3-day training, the 3-day fast track challenge, and oh man, I'm sorry guys, I'm new at this. I'm really trying. I'm getting better at it. I've been a lot worse. All right, guys. Well, that's it for right now. That's a little bit of information. I'm gonna watch some more videos, learn some more about it, I'll make another video. Next time it'll be better with more information. Alright guys, I hope you found some kind of value out of this. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment down below about what you had thought. Maybe it's a suggestion of how to improve. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye now.